So you go to Newark, New Jersey, and you see leaders like Garfield, and you see leaders like Tobias from Newark Science and Sustainability combining forces with an amazing Mayor Baraka taking action to make passive houses, solar panels, powering the homes, and you do not have an electric bill. Can you imagine having no electric bill? I would love that. You have transformers here that are upping and downing the different voltage and the different wattage of electricity. The current's being adjusted right here. Look at that. Imagine if all those electrons came from a renewable energy source that did not pollute your air, my air, our air, or water or food. This is inevitable. It's the rising tide of renewable energy, so get on board, invest in these companies, United Wind, LO3 Energy. Look at Newark. Look at the hubs of humanity within our country and around the world, because they're all acutely aware that this is the time to act. It's not a matter of catastrophe in life. It's a matter of, okay, what do we need to do? Who are the companies that are doing it? And who are the leaders out there that we can inspire and empower with the know-how and the knowledge to do it? So continue to question how you get your energy. Continue to question how you get your food, because you can grow your own food. You can create your own energy on a microgrid. You can install a wind turbine or a solar panel. The time is now. Don't hesitate. Have fun with it and act. Subscribe to stay alive.